Alright everyone, I am back, and I have another Pokeball from the giveaway. I will open and see. I think there's another XY evolution pack in this one. So, potentially we could pull a Charizard. That's what I'm about, is pulling those Charizards. That's all I want to do. But let's just see what we get. See what kind of cool cards there are. Gosh. I always feel like I'm going to open this and it's just going to explode. Okay. There's our packs. Another Raichu coin. That one's broken. What's wrong with that coin? It's all deformed. Like it's not round. That's weird. Okay. Got a faulty coin. Whatever. Okay. XY Evolutions, Sun and Moon Burning Shadows, and XY Steam Siege. Let's do Steam Siege first. It's not one of my favorite packs. I haven't opened many of them though. I do like the break cards you get in them. They're kind of cool and different. There's that. 1, 2, 3. And we got an Asmero. That's kind of cool. Greedy Dice. Drifblim. Nosepass. Leo. Sneasel. Yanma. Apom. And another break. Nice. Nice. I can't pronounce that. That's the Y legendary one, I believe, though. Vettel. And, I don't know if I even showed it. Yanmega for the non-holographic card. But that's cool. I'll put that in this. So I do not have that one. I'll set that off to the side, and we will open up the Burning Shadows pack next. Throw it off to the side. Ooh. Maybe we'll get something nice with this one. This is 4. I don't understand why these are. Some are upside down and some aren't. Water Energy. Olivia. Kawi. Porygon 2. Mudbray. Titan Nemo. Oddish. Duskull. I'm still trying to learn most of these names. Morlu. Lulu. I just haven't gotten into Dying. I have no idea. That is cool looking though. That is a cool looking card, and I do not have it, so I will put it in a sleeve. I just haven't gotten into the new Pokemon. Like, I play the game, but I don't have to pronounce the names. So, like, I don't know how to say most of them. And I don't watch this series anymore, and I know these ones. Evolution, because that's more like the old stuff. There's that. 1, 2, 3. We got a trainer, Slowbro Spirit Link, Super Potion, a Charmeleon, Tangela, got a Ponyta, Dudo, Staryu, Seal, a Reverse Hollow Zapdos, very nice. And a Dugtrio. I will take that Zapdos, though. I do not have one of these. And it looks to be in fairly condition for considering it was in that Pokeball. They're usually pretty hard on the cards, I believe. I've seen, I mean, look at the coin that we got. It looks like someone bit part of it off right there. It's not round. But that is that, and these are our pulls, which I would have to say is pretty good for Pokeball. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we still have some more stuff from that giveaway to open, so stay tuned for that.